Assam Police seized a huge consignment of illegal cough syrup from a 12-wheeler truck after intercepting it at a Naka Checking at Kakvor in Assam's Churaibari in the early hours of Friday. According to reports, a truck bearing the registration number UP80 DT 0499, carrying a total of 38,200 bottles of Eskuf cough syrup in 215 cartons, was intercepted by a police team led by officer in charge Pranab Mili while on its way to Agartala from Kolkata. The police, apart from confiscating the consignment worth ₹2 crore, also detained the truck driver Chandrashekhar Tewari and the co-driver Ramsagar Tewari. A case has been registered against them under the NDPS Act as interrogation continues.